Hi, this is a short video showing 6 IMC range of inductive sensors. Today I would like to show you one of the new benefits that is made possible by having IO-Link on board our IMC range. Metallic contamination can be a fact of life in some applications, and it may lead to unwanted and costly unplanned downtime. Now you can see the device in a simple test environment. The output Q1 switches when the target is present. Now we add some metallic contamination to represent a gradual build-up on the sensor face. So, here comes the clever bit. The output Q2 will switch once the contamination reaches a certain value and stays like that for 10 seconds. At this point, the output Q2 can be used to set a flag to ensure that maintenance are made aware of the need for the sensor to be cleaned. This may be an immediate intervention or perhaps flagged for the next scheduled downtime, dependent on the speed of contaminant build-up. Now we reintroduce the target and see that Q1 continues to switch in the normal way. Q2 remains high all the while as the contamination level is still too high. Now the sensor is cleaned and we see that the Q2 output returns to a low state, signifying that any contamination is within acceptable limits. This setup and our interpretation of Industry 4, enabled by IO-Link, allows us to continue running while simultaneously being able to flag maintenance. As a result, downtime occurs on your terms.